Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and students, welcome to my channel, The Literary Gallery. And today, in speaking tips, we will learn to making offers in English by using can, shall, will, and would. So, can, shall, will, and would. These are very common words, and students can use these words while making offers because making offers is a very common topic. Everybody has to make offers in day-to-day routine to other people. So we will learn different expression. These expression not only add beauty to the language, but they will also increase the vocabulary. So let's come to those expressions, then we will use these expressions in detailed sentences. So if you want to make offer to somebody, you can say, can I help you? You can add anything. Shall I help you? Would you like? How about? Do you want me to help you? May I help you? Let me help you. I could allow me to help you. Would it be helpful if? Would you care for me? Anything can be added. So here some detailed expressions are here given. For example, can I help you? Shall I open the window for you? Would you like another cup of coffee? How about some pizza? Do you want me to pick up anything from the store? May I assist you with your luggage? Let me give you a hand with that heavy box. I could help you with your presentation if you'd like. Allow me to buy you a drink as a token of appreciation. Would it be helpful if I explained the instructions again? Would you care for some assistance with your project? So these are different expressions that can be used while making offers. So you might have noticed that we are using here only first form of the verb with can, shall, will, and would. So by little practice, by little revision, by little drill, students can master these expressions, and in this way they will add richness, beauty, variety to their language, and also these will help them to increase the vocabulary. So practice these things. Even you can practice by writing, by texting somebody, and even you can revise these expression by speaking to yourself. So as a result, you have seen that these expressions are not so difficult to follow. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.